So in the chutney, we basically just ground that with a bit of salt, and we also added a bit of peanuts. You could also use cashew nut or any other nuts that you have, but that's the chutney. It's absolutely delicious. So we mix our salad up, you know, like that. What a feast, what a diverse feast that has no ecological cost, and on the contrary, it's, you know, it has such an ecological value to eat this food. So we put a little bit of salad there on the plate and a little bit of chutney on the side, chime, chime, and you get a little juice there. And there's today's secrets of your salad: tribal booster juice, undermining industrialization. This food is a renaissance of well-being.